Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. This sleek piece of tech has taken the market by storm, positioning itself as one of the best cheap phones you can buy and even a contender for the title of one of the best Android phones overall. But here's the twist. We won't just be highlighting all the reasons why you should buy it. No, we're also going to outline some compelling reasons why you may want to hold off on purchasing this device. So, if you're ready to explore the captivating world of the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's jump right into it. Improved camera. As we mentioned earlier, the Samsung Galaxy A54 is no slouch, and one of its key components is its camera capabilities. This budget-friendly phone surprises us with its main camera, boasting the same impressive 50-megapixel sensor found in the pricier Galaxy S23. Yes, you heard that right. A phone that costs $350 less can match up to its higher-end counterpart in terms of photography prowess. For instance, in a photo of breakfast tacos, the A54 captured better details and colors, thanks to its handling of the ambient light from a window. Similarly, in night photography, the A54 produced a brighter image with more visible colors and details compared to the Pixel 6a. While the Galaxy A54 falls behind the Pixel 6a in certain areas, particularly in portrait modes, its camera performance overall is impressive. Software support and updates. Samsung sets the bar high for Android device support. The Galaxy A54 benefits from this commitment, receiving 4 years of Android OS updates and 5 years of security support. This means you can expect your device to stay up to date and protected even after the release of Android 14. With 3 more major OS updates in the pipeline, the Galaxy A54 offers extended longevity and excellent value for mid-range phone users. Noticeable bezels. Now that we've explored all the compelling reasons to consider the Galaxy A54 as your next smartphone, it's time to delve into the aspects that may not be as appealing. One notable drawback that caught my attention during my in-depth review was the bezels surrounding the device's display. While it's true that budget-friendly phones generally don't boast edge-to-edge screens, the bezels on the Galaxy A54 seemed more noticeable, especially the chunky one at the bottom. Perhaps my keen eye for smartphone aesthetics, cultivated by analyzing various models over the years, contributed to this observation. As bezels have gradually become less prominent in recent times, encountering a phone with noticeable bezels like the Galaxy A54 makes them stand out even more. However, it's important to note that if you're upgrading from an older budget phone, the bezels may not bother you at all, as it's all about the perspective. Nonetheless, I must admit that the presence of these bezels to create a sense of confinement, particularly when using the Galaxy A54 in landscape mode. This feeling of being hemmed in seems somewhat out of place for a phone sporting a generous 6.4-inch display. As a discerning tech enthusiast, I believe that a phone screen should offer an immersive and expansive viewing experience, and the bezels on the Galaxy A54 detract from that ideal. Battery. Samsung claims that the Galaxy A54 5G can power through 2 full days of normal usage, but my experience tells a different story altogether. If you happen to be a heavy user, you'll find yourself reaching for the charger after just a single day. Even for those with more moderate usage patterns, charging the device overnight is a must, unless you want to rely on the included 25 watts charger, which, mind you, takes an eternity to bring the battery from 0% to 100%. Speaking of the battery, the Galaxy A54 5G boasts a respectable 5,000 mAh capacity and supports 25 watts charging. However, Samsung's decision to exclude a charger from the box means you'll have to either purchase a new 25 watts charger or make do with the one you already have at home. Now, if you opt for the official Samsung branded 25 watts charger, be prepared to shell out around 1,099 units of your local currency. It's an additional expense that may catch you off guard, considering the phone's already substantial price tag. Nevertheless, for the sake of convenience and optimal charging speeds, investing in a compatible charger might be a wise choice. In summary, while Samsung claims an impressive battery life for the Galaxy A54 5G, real-world usage scenarios paint a different picture. Heavy users will find themselves tethered to a charger sooner than expected, while even regular users will need to recharge overnight. And don't forget to factor in the cost of a 25 watts charger if you decide to go for the official Samsung option. And that concludes today's video, where we've presented you with a well-rounded review to help you decide whether the Galaxy A54 is the right purchase for you. Now it's time to hear from you. Will you be buying this device? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.